Got one. You doubled up? Oh, nice. Is it a nice one? Oh yeah, good one. Got a little pounder. Right in the top of the lip. Boom. Little one on the paddle tail. Oh boy, first double up of the year. I ain't getting any underwater video though. Nice little bass. Let it go. Got one. There we go. Another one on the paddle tail. Let's get her out of here. A little bit bigger. Right to the top of the mouth there. Gobbled it up. Here you go, little buddy. This boy just caught a frog off a frog. Look at this.